Here is an example of what you can expect in our $10 membership level craft along kit. You'll get a limited edition handwritten thank you note. Like, we try to do a different image each month from the different costumes and stuff that we make and do photo shoots of. You'll get one set of our laser cut components that can be used in earrings or pendants or resin or so many different things, and these designs are different every month as well. Super durable. And then you will also get at least two. Sometimes you might get like less, like if you got like one big boy, and sometimes you might get more if you're just getting a couple of smaller cabs. But you'll get at least two, unless it's a great big one. Oh, I'm just confusing myself at this point. But this is pretty standard. On our website, like, all of the cabs that we include in our kits are available for sale on our website. So a cab like this one at its lowest would sell for $4. This one would sell for $6. And we do different colors each month and everything too. So, and then these guys, this is one of our shimmer cabs. And on our website, these sell for anywhere from $6 to $8, depending on the size and shape and uh, you know what colors we've used and stuff. And then we also cover the shipping to get these cabs to you. So just these two cabs on their own are at least worth $10. And then if you were buying them off of our website, you'd be paying shipping as well. So we try to give you a lot of value in your craft along kit.